Alright, so the first thing you're going to need is a clean mixing bowl, clean and sanitized to mix everything in. Some white pigment. Some coconut oil, any brand will do. Vaseline or petroleum jelly, I'm using petroleum jelly. Vitamin E oil. That's sweet almond oil. Pipettes. And you need the coconut flavoring oil for this lip balm I purchased from Amazon. And those small containers, I got those from Amazon as well. And we'll be putting the lip balm into those containers. You need a spoon to mix everything with. So the first thing you're gonna do is put a gradual amount of Vaseline inside the mixing bowl. And it just depends on how many containers you're trying to fill. I only was trying to fill a couple containers, so I'm not going to use that much Vaseline. So what I'm going to do now is I start applying my oil. So the first oil I'm going to put is vitamin E. And you could put however much you like. My next oil I apply is sweet almond oil. And I use my pipettes to put a tiny amount of oil because I don't want to put too much. That's my coconut oil I have in there. And I'm going to go ahead and mix the oil into the Vaseline. And you continue to mix. Okay, so now I'm about to grab my pigment. This is the white pigment that I purchased from Amazon. And this pigment did come in a pack of like, I think 20 pigments I got for like maybe $15.99 off of Amazon. Really pretty colors. I also use these pigments to make my lip glosses. Now I'm just making sure I mix everything in evenly. My pigment, my oil. When I'm done, this mixture should be snow white. You just mix, mix, mix. I'm getting a little messy, as you can see. That's how it's gonna look. I'm trying to make sure all my oils are in there. So now I'm just taking my syringe and I'm trying to go in circular motions and trying to fill up the container evenly, and I'm trying to prevent spaces and gaps. I ended up not using the pipettes because that would have been a little difficult to get this particular mixture inside the container, so I didn't have to use those. And I'm just gonna fill it all the way up to the top in circular motions. It's really hard to get it perfect. Now I'm just gonna take the top to my Vaseline and I'm gonna scrape off the excess because I want it to be as flat as possible at the top. And then I'm filling up a second container here. It should be flat at the top, that's the goal. And then I'm gonna get ready to put it in the freezer. And then that's the end result. So I hope you like it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.